Today, I'll be decorating one of my hydro dips. The link to that video will be in the description box below. Welcome back to DIY No Need to Cry with Ivelisse. Let's get started. Hi, my crafty fam, and if you're new to my channel, welcome. The first thing that popped into my head, pun intended, when I made this bottle was bubblegum. Not long after, I got a vision in my head of an over-the-top bubblegum design. I created this design using Dollar Tree items. I used Dollar Tree ping pong balls to create the topper. They are the perfect size to make giant gumballs. To prep for painting, I stuck a toothpick in each one. Doing this will allow you to paint it easily. Next, I had to create two colors that matched the bottle. I mixed a few different colors to create the turquoise. It's not exact, but close enough. And I did the same for the pink. Because the balls are plastic, I know the paint will easily chip off once it's dry, so I mixed some tacky crafting glue to each color in hopes of avoiding that, and you'll be happy to know that it worked. Make sure to stick them on something while drying. The Dollar Tree also sells foam and would work great for this. When you set them to dry, make sure they don't touch one another. I painted 6 turquoise and did the same for the pink. As I was painting, I realized the bottle had hints of light pink. So I painted 6 more using a lighter pink. Once they're all dry, make sure to twist the toothpick before pulling it out. Doing this will prevent the paint from peeling off. Now that I had my gumballs prepped, it was time to make the square bubblegum. To create that look, I painted these small wooden blocks. I found this headband that had these mesh crafting noodle looking things attached to it. I thought it resembled a Twizzler or a bubblegum stick. Remember, it's a creative take on a bubblegum theme. This next one was one of my favorites as a child. I used this pop dot tape to create Hubba Bubba Bubblegum tape. Say that 3 times fast. I remember wanting to stuff my mouth with the whole roll and how hard it would be to chew. This pack had 3 sizes. I used the thickest one. It already had adhesive. I removed the protector of the top layer and added glitter to create the Hubba Bubba. Again, it's an artistic take on it. Once I was done, I sealed it with a clear acrylic sealer. You can use whatever sealer you have, including Mod Podge. I also used these sticker dots to resemble those candy buttons on paper. I used to love them. Do any of you remember those? And that's it for the prepping. All that's left is to put it all together. And here it is, all finished. I love how this bottle turned out. And it was so easy to make. The only bad thing is, every time I look at it, my sweet tooth goes off. I haven't made a bottle like this in a long time, so this was refreshing for me. If you're wondering what you can do with a bottle like this, well, you can use it as a centerpiece for a bubblegum/candy themed birthday party. You can also use this as a decoration piece in a child's room, or make one for a baby reveal party. You can always switch the colors and use the ideas to create a whole different theme. I hope this was helpful and that it inspired you to make something of your own. Just as long as you remember to have fun, be creative, and make a mess. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs it up as it helps the growth of the channel and to show your support. If you're new to my channel, I hope you consider subscribing to get updates on future videos. And remember, do it yourself. There's no need to cry.